Well, that's not a Zafira. Yeah, over there, guys. I thought my gearbox had gone up car, but luckily it just turns out it's a couple of fucking brake cables, mate. Brake cables, gear cables. So yeah, just borrowed that one for now, you know. So I'm just gonna get straight to camp. Not gonna do no walking to camp scenes. Just gonna get the fuck straight there, guys. No messing about today. I know, guys, totally lied to you. And you fucking fell for it, mate. We're only 2 walk on fucking scenes though. What's up with you? Right, I'm gonna get up there, guys. This video today, no accidents, no fuck all. Cut that bit out. Cut that bit out, we'll fucking start again. Fucking typical of it. Well, clearly, guys, my words of wisdom went nowhere. We've burnt pieces at top. Scattered and left shit everywhere. And since that day I told him it was my daughter's swing, suddenly it's been fucking chopped. Know what I mean? I really thought I actually got somewhere with those lads. Clearly fucking not, guys. Clearly fucking not, mate. I feel like they've let me down. Oh well. It is what it is, matey. Yeah. Straight from work, got home. Thought, you know what? I'm getting out while I can, matey. While I can. Still got paint on my hands. What's the point having a shower to come out here to go home and have another shower, guys? Know what I mean? Always fucking thinking, matey. Yeah, that just ensures now that this 100% is the fucking last time Benny Bushcraft will be featuring in this bit of the woodland. What's the fucking point, mate? Thought I'd come back, you know. I was half thinking, oh, bless them, you know what I mean? They might have built something for me. But no, completely different. Oh well, guys. Oh, fucking well. Sexy fucking brew time, guys. That's what it is. Last brew as well. Last brew here. Oh yes, it fucking is. I am pissed off, guys, I ain't gonna lie. Been at this camp a long time, man. Know what I mean? But things happen, don't they? Things happen, mateys. things don't last forever. Especially fucking cars. Fucking hell, man. Know what I mean? Not my fucking cars anyway, guys. Don't think that's gonna fucking burn. Is it, bollocks? That'll do anyway. While they're making a fucking brew, matey. Oh yes. Oh, and a pot noodle. Pot goes the noodle. What? I'm allowed a break, you know. Oh yes I am. Oh yes I fucking am, guys. Told you I wasn't lying. Chicken McNoodle. Got my bush box from Mick and Kaz. Hampshire Outdoors and Survival. So for those that haven't, please go check his channel out. Type that in. But I will pop a link in the description anyways. Thank you very much. Now, I don't forget a voice, guys. Let alone a face, and I'm sure I've just heard one of them lads' voices. Fucking sure of it, mate. Get out. Get out in it. What are we doing on here? Sexy brew kit. So today, my little minions, we are using eco-friendly fire fucking lighters. Oh yes we are. So I'm just gonna throw a couple in there. A few bits of timber on top. Couple of the old cotton ballage just to speed things up. Time is knocking on, guys, like I say. I've just finished fucking work, mate. There was a lighter today. Only because my fucking flint and steel's in my pack, and my pack's about 1,000,000 miles away. Oh yes it is. Right, we need some water. Fuck it, fill it up, mate. Fill it up, matey. So yeah, Benny the knobhead used this wrong last time. Those that don't know, and I didn't, because I'm an absolute spanner. You put your fucking handle through the lid, mate, so it didn't fall off, yeah. Voila. Should have a fucking brew in no time, mateys. Oh yes. I don't know what all that shit is in my fucking cup. Best thing with cotton balls are, kids, you can use them as a fire starter and a fucking cleaner, mate. And that is literally fucking boiling already. Fucking marvellous, mate. So yeah, I've swapped my coffee pouch over, so they're all in here now. Fucking lovely, mate. And you all know that that's my fucking camera finger. Before you ask. And we went to Blackpool last Sunday and Nick here just stole all coffees and sugars and everything out of the fucking hotel, mate. So yeah, latte Irish cream will fucking go for today. Stop fucking swearing, man. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, matey. Fucking hell, guys. Oh yes. Wonder if there's any water left in there. Let's have a look, eh? Let's have a fucking look. Fuck off. Do you hear that massive bee then, guys? Yeah. Trying to fucking punch me in the head and stuff. Dickhead. Beautiful. And now my fucking spoon is all the way over there in my fucking pack, matey. Fucking awesome bit of kit, that. Cheers again, Mick and Kaz. Fucking hell, look how fucking far away that is, guys. Fuck's sake. Fucking miles away. Oh, do you want to see what I'm doing? Why didn't I think of that? It looked really good on camera, wouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah, fucking awesome shot that. What a fucking shot this is. What a shot. The only thing is, guys, I didn't get my spoon. Because I said no accidents are out today. I fucking lied. So I fell down that bastard hill and I forgot my fucking spoon again. But I know where it is, guys. I've got two of these. One's got a fork in it and the other one's got a knife, fork and spoon, and I've picked the fucking one with a fork up. Dickhead. Oh. Cheers guys. Don't know why I'm saying cheers, you didn't make it, did you? Made it me bloody self. Cotton ball must have fallen out of my pocket. Yeah, different scene now, innit? Shall we build a chair? I don't think so. Oh no. Not on your fucking Nelly, matey. Don't know if I can be arsed with my pot noodle, guys. Well, it's been good here, guys, while it lasted. How long have I been here? 6 months easy. On and off. With no hiccups. That's their burnt shit, not mine. Dickhead. I don't care how it looks, guys. It's literally going in fucking bin. Enough is enough now. I need to fucking learn that people aren't gonna stop coming here and trashing shit. Enough is enough, guys. Shit happens, doesn't it? For a reason, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that reason is. You know what I mean? That is fucking beautiful. Irish latte cream, I think it said. Go fucking buy some, guys, seriously. You'll fucking love it, mate. Looks a cunt, guys, but if it gets it out of here, I'm not bothered. Want all ties with me to this place gone. To this. What the fuck was that? Did you hear that? Sound like a fucking tree fell. Yeah, guys, that is that. That is the last time, unless you come yourselves, that you're going to see that place. Because it won't be on this channel. Won't be last time we're in these woods, because I am fucking quite certain that eventually I'm going to find a decent spot. That is 100% my next fucking mission. Off camera, I know I've said that before, but just thought I'd give that little place another try. But no, in fact, let's go down this way, because on the way in, guys, I saw something that looked interesting, but I couldn't check it out because there was some fucker there, mate. Let me get through this lot. Little life. We're just down here. Ah, kids. Just down here, mateys. See that bag through there, look? Well, we're interested to see what the fuck was in it. Oh, someone stood down there. Stella packets. An airbed. mean, at least you can say they've fucking actually bagged the shit up, but then they've left the bag. So they've half done the job, guys. Half done the job. But yeah, a new venture awaits. Like I say, everything happens for a reason, and I look forward to seeing what the reason is. Oh yes, I fucking will. So I'll catch you all on the fucking next one, guys. In fact, guys, now that my tripod, my bag, and that is in my car, and now my hands aren't full, I'm gonna head back in and collect that fucking bag that we've just seen. You know what I mean? Picking other people's shit up after them. Adults, stuff like that, you know what I mean? Well, I'm guessing it's adults. With beer boxes and shit, it should be adults. But you know what some kids are like these days. Almost there, guys. Almost fucking there, mate. If it weren't for scruffy bastards, guys, could have been at fucking home editing by now. You know what I mean? I ain't taking that because I don't know what the fuck I've been doing on it. If you get my drift. Other people's rubbish in hand. What a fucking society we live in. You know what I mean, guys? You've fucking been here. Yeah? They did half that job, why couldn't I do that? I had to come out of woods anyway. There's a bin here. There's fucking one right up there and all. Absolute jokers, guys. Right, I shall catch you all on the next one. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. All that good stuff, guys. Take care. See you soon.